Hey everyone, it's Nemo. Welcome back to the channel Make Honest Money Online. If you are looking for a way to actually make money with Google, realistically make money with Google, then you are in the right place. This is not some tricks and tips that you get taught somewhere else. This is legit. I'm about to reveal a way that you can make money with Google without having to put in any extra time or effort. This is something that you already do and you can get paid for it. I understand that making money online can sometimes be very difficult, as you may get taught the wrong methods to make money online, or you're clicking on other videos that give you clickbait that don't actually provide any value for you, and are all just there to show you methods that don't really work. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you how to make money with Google easily and simply. So stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end to see just how you can get started today. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so the website we are going to use is presearch.io. It should look like this. You need to type into Google presearch.io. Now what presearch is basically a crypto based, almost like DTube or Steemit or the others, but this is basically just for search. It's being run by blockchain. Now you get paid for every search that you do. Now once you come over here, all you need to go do is go to presearch, click right here, this button, and then you need to sign up for an account. As you can see, I already have 4.25 pre-search. I actually tried out this method this morning, and so now I'm going to show it to you as well. Okay, now for those of you that want a specific search engine, they also offer it for YouTube search, Google search, DuckDuckGo, any of the other search engines that you can think of. So do not think that the results will not be as it is on Google or as in depth as Google. They actually draw their information from these platforms. It's all through basic blockchain matrix, okay, matrix contracts or whatever, but we don't care about that. We only care about making money. So this method is not going to make you rich, and neither will all the other videos you see online about Google tricks or that. This is legit. This will make you money while you are doing it. It's not some hopes and dreams or something that you have to spend weeks and months trying out before you see any money from it. Okay, so how many searches do you actually do in one day? So when you come online, when you come into even onto YouTube, the first thing you do when you come onto YouTube is probably search something, and from there you search something else. And how many times a day do you search on YouTube or even Google? Even when you are starting with certain methods for making money online, YouTube and Google and search engines will be your most powerful tool to use, because you need to start searching and researching niches and your competition. Okay, not just for making money online, but even in your personal life. And this app, this platform can help you actually monetize what you do on the internet. Okay, so right here's my account. As you can see, I've got just over 4. I haven't refreshed this page yet, but you can see there's 4.25 actually. Okay, I'm just gonna refresh this page. Okay, so there it's updated. Okay, and this is actually my account. Now if you want to withdraw your tokens, you come over, you just click here, withdraw tokens. It'll take you to a page like this, which is where you will need to fill in your crypto wallet. Now I keep on telling you guys that you need to open a Coinbase account so you guys can withdraw your crypto earnings to your cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are very powerful and will make up a large part of our economies in the future. Bitcoin is already huge, but cryptocurrencies like these, okay, these smaller ones will gain popularity and more value over time as other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Monero, and Ethereum. They are not as profitable to mine anymore, so people will be looking at other cryptocurrencies. Okay, now just to show you the price of the pre-token to the dollar. So one pre-token is just about 1.5 cents. Now if we go over to the calculator and we put that into the calculator, okay, multiply that by 1,000, it's $15. Okay, now why did I make 15? Because you can only withdraw once you get 1,000. But if you actually start using this platform in your everyday life, for every search that you do, reaching the 1,000 will not be a difficult task. You can actually reach that very soon. Okay, maybe even 2 weeks. It really depends on you, because I know that I use Google a lot for my searches, and I don't really want to use platforms like DuckDuckGo or Bing, because the results there can be very altered, because different sites use different methods to rank their websites or videos on the front page. Now with Google, all of those black hat methods, they get sorted out really easily. Google's got a really powerful algorithm, so the best results will be given to you. Also do a lot of searching on YouTube for competitive videos, okay, all of that. So I can even still use it for YouTube. You can also still use it for YouTube, even for Google as well. Okay, now it's also available for your phone. Let me just show you right here. Okay, so I'm on the Play Store right now, so I'm just gonna show you that this is actually available for Android as well. I'm not sure about iOS, but if they've got an Android version, they should have an iOS version. So I'm just going to type in right here, okay, and there you can see is the pre-search app. Okay, it's got 3.7 stars on the reviews. It's not such a large application to download, and you can virtually do this on your phone as well instead of just doing it on your PC. That's if you do not have a PC. Then you can also use this for your phone. As you can see, it's got over 50,000 downloads. The more people actually find out about this, the more popular this app will become in the future. Okay, so as you can see that this app is available on Android and on PC. So there is really no excuse if you think that maybe oh yeah, I can't do it because this or this or that. It's a really small app. You can run on basically any device, even older Android models as well. Okay, so the best thing for you guys to do now is just get started, implement all these methods that I'm showing you. Okay, if you are not going to implement or actually even attempt, at least try a full week at doing some of these things, you are not going to make any money online. Okay, because 99% of the people that fail to make any money online are the ones that never actually took action, the ones that never learned the best methods to make money online for themselves. Okay, because what works for me will not work for you. It may work for someone else. Okay, so but that's all I've got for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video and it gave you some value, please share it with your friends. If you have not yet, please smash the subscribe button and also click the like. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.